Let's start now. 11 Maths 2, chapter number 1, complex number, exercise 1.2. Now this exercise basically deals with square root of the complex number. Square root of the complex number. Okay? Let's see. Question number 1, subpart 3. Find the square root of the following complex number. 1 plus 4 root 3i. The square root of a complex number is also a complex number. Any complex number which is of the form z is equal to x plus iy. जिसमें x and y they are always real numbers. And what we know is the square of the real number is always positive. बराबर है ना? रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. ओके, आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस, सो आई से लेट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस इज इक्वल टू x प्लस आई वाई. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस इज इक्वल टू x प्लस आई वाई या a प्लस बी आई वाई. तो मुझे a और b फाइंड आउट करना है. तो क्या करेंगे? आई स्क्वायर बोथ द साइड्स. Because I am scared of the square root side, so squaring both the sides, this will become a square. I will write this first.
A square plus
B square I square
minus.
Okay, minus B square plus 2abi is equal to, this will become 1 plus 4 root 3i. Equate the real part and the imaginary part. क्या मिलेगा? Equating real part and imaginary part.
A square minus
B square
is equal to y.
and 2ab is equal to 4 root 3. है ना? These are again two equations. 2, 2, yeah. So what is b is equal to 2 root 3 upon a. Substituting we get, क्या get we? A square minus 2 to the 4, 3 is 12.
4 3 is 12.
A square is equal to 1. So this will become a square का square minus 12 is equal to a square. Transfer. A square का square minus a square minus 12 is equal to 0. 4 3s are 12. Okay? So this will become a square minus 4. Can I write it directly?
Yes.
Into a square plus 3 is equal to 0. मतलब a square is equal to 4 or a square is equal to minus 3. But a and b, these are the real numbers. तो उसका स्क्वायर निगेटिव नहीं हो सकता, रिजेक्टेड, जैसे कि मैंने बताया. So a can be this value. Therefore, what are the possible values of a? A is equal to 2 or minus 2. Isn't it?
Yes.
2 or minus 2. So when a is equal to 2, what is b is equal to? For a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 root 3 upon 2. So b is equal to root 3. And when a is equal to minus 2, what is b is equal to minus root 3. Therefore, what is a plus bi is equal to 2 plus root 3i or
2 minus
or no
minus 2
minus 2
plus
minus root 3i. So I can take plus or minus out common.
Yes.
2 plus root 3i is the answer. Is this okay? Any doubts about this? Is it okay?
Yes.
I'll go for the next question, which is running on the parallel lines. Tell me now how do we solve it? एकदम exactly same. वैसे ही कर लेंगे. Let's go for the next question. 1 subpart 4. Tell me. 3 plus 2 root 10i.
Yes.
Let a plus bi is equal to square root of 3 plus root 10i, right?
Yes.
Tell me that 2 root 10 equals 2 root 10i. Alright. Squaring both the sides. So a square, bolo,
A square
minus b square
minus b square
plus 2ab is equal to 3 plus 2 root 10i. Equating real part and imaginary part.
A square minus b square
is equal to
3.
and 2ab
equal to 2
root 10. So ab is equal to root 10 and b is equal to root 10 upon a.
Yes.
Substitute a
A
square
square minus 10
10 upon a
a
square
square
is equal to 3. A raised to 4 minus 10 is equal to 3a square. A square का square minus 3a square minus 10 is equal to 0. 9 ones are 9.
Oh.
9 ones are
9
9. 5 twos are 10. So this will give me a square minus 5 into a square plus 2 is equal to 0. So a square is equal to 5 or a square is equal to minus 2. Rejected. So a is equal to plus or minus root 5. Now when a is equal to root 5, then b is equal to root 10 upon root 5. How do we solve this?
root 10 into root 5.
Root of 10 by 5. एक छाते में डाल दो 5 to the 10. So b is equal to root 2. बराबर है क्या?
हाँ.
So a plus bi क्या होगा? Root 5
root 5
plus root 2
2
I. Okay? So when a is equal to minus root 5, what is b is equal to? Root 10 upon minus root 5. That is minus root 2. So what is a plus bi is equal to?
minus root 5
Minus root 2i. That means what is the final answer?
plus or minus
The final answer would
5
be
plus root
a plus bi is equal to
Plus
plus or minus root 5 plus root 2i. Is this okay?
2. Yes.
Any doubts about that? Take the screenshot please. So question number 1 make a find the square root of this. So let a plus bi is equal to square root of this squaring. Tell me. A square minus b square plus 2abi is equal to 2 into 1 minus root 3i. 2 minus 2 root 3i.
A square
A square
minus
minus b
b
square is equal to 2 and 2ab is equal to minus root 3. So b is equal to minus root 3 upon a. Substitute.
A square plus
minus root 3 upon a का square is equal to 2. So square is become a square minus 3 upon a square is equal to 2. A raised to 4 minus 3 is equal to 2a square. A raised to 4 minus 2a square minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 ones are. So a square minus 3, a square plus 1. You can write this directly if and only if this coefficient is 1. I hope you know this.
Yes.
Okay. If this coefficient is not 1, then you have to go
Multiply.
Okay. Is equal to 0. So a square is equal to 3 or a square is equal to minus 1. This is rejected. So a is equal to plus or minus root 3. Therefore b is equal to, when a is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus root 3 upon root 3. That is minus 1. So a plus bi is equal to root 3 minus 1. When a is equal to minus root 3, b is equal to minus root 3 upon root 3, minus root 3, that is 1. Therefore a plus bi is equal to minus root 3 plus I. I think I can take minus sign common here, minus bracket में आएगा root 3 minus I. So what is the final answer? This or this.
Yes.
So the required answer is a plus bi is equal to plus or minus root 3 minus I. That is the final answer. I hope this is clear to you.
Yes.
Any doubts about this?
No.
Read the question. Solve the following quadratic equations. 2x square minus root 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you observe here, question 2, question 3 and question 4. Question is same. Look at that. Solve the following quadratic equations. Solve the following quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation. But there is a difference. In the question number 2, it is only like ax square plus bx plus c type.
Yes.
Question number 3 mein I is involved. Huh? And question number 4 mein I in the complex form. Question number 3 में सिर्फ I है, यहाँ पर एक complex number ही है वहाँ पे already, isn't it?
Yes.
So that is the difference there. Okay. So I'll compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, and I will solve this. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute. Therefore x is equal to minus b. B is minus root 3. Minus b is minus of minus root 3 is plus root 3. Plus or minus square root of. Is this okay? B square. Minus root 3 का square.
3.
Minus 4a is 2. C is 1 upon 2a to 2. Is this okay?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Let me simplify this now further. This will give me, therefore, x is equal to root 3 plus or minus 3
Minus 5.
4 to the 8 minus
5.
square root of minus 5 upon 4. Now what is square root of minus 5? Is I root 5. Right? Huh? So what is x is equal to? Root 3
3 plus minus I root 5.
plus or minus I root 5 upon 4. Then this is the answer. Is this okay? Any doubts about this?
No.
Please take the screenshot. Question number 2, support 3. Solve the following quadratic equations. 3x square. Read.
3x square minus 7x plus 5.
Plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So I'll write it. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 7, and C is equal to 5. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. क्या मिलेगा? So give me x is equal to 7 plus or minus b square 49 minus 4 3 5 upon 2 into 3. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 4 3 is 12 5 is 60. 60 11 minus 11 upon 6, and this will be written as I root 11. So what is x is equal to 7 plus or minus I root 11 upon 6 is the answer. Easy. The remaining two questions are of the same type, so I will leave it to you. Okay. I'll go for question number 3. 3 subpart 2. What is that? Question number 3 method 2. What is the given equation? Solve the following quadratic equation. 2x square plus 3ix plus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3i, and c is equal to 2. So what is x is equal to? Minus b plus or minus square root of. Shall I write it directly? There is a equation. So minus 3i
minus 3i plus minus
square root of b
minus
square
6 minus 9
minus 4a c upon 2a. So what is x is equal to? Minus 3i plus or minus square root of minus 25 upon 4.
Yes.
Okay. Now this means it is
I
5i.
I root 25.
So this will become x is equal to minus 3i plus or minus 5i upon 4. So there is no real part in this. So x is equal to, अगर प्लस लिया तो क्या आएगा?
प्लस लिया तो 2i
2i upon 4.
1 upon I upon
और अगर माइनस लिया तो
minus 8 that is 2i minus 2i.
so x is equal to half I or minus 2i
minus 2i.
is the answer. Is that okay?
हाँ.
Any doubts about this? Please take the screenshot. Question number 3 make of 4. Solve the following quadratic equation. Ix square. Read.
X square minus 4x minus 4i
Is equal to 0. A is equal to I. B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to minus 4i. And x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. क्या आएगा? So x is equal to minus of minus 4 is plus 4 plus or minus square root of b square 16 minus 4i into minus 4i. सही है?
yes
Upon 2i. That is equal to x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16. This is minus minus plus. है ना?
हाँ
16i square
16i square minus
0. This is gone.
हाँ
So what is x
4
is
upon
equal to
2i
4 upon 2i. That is 2
2i.
upon I minus 1 minus
Minus
2i is the answer. Is this okay?
हाँ.
Any doubts about that?
No.
Next question. So the next one is little different. Question number 5. Sorry, 4. 4 subpart 2. Solve the following quadratic equation. X square minus 3, please dictate, 3 root 2
Plus 2i
into x.
2x plus 6 root 2i equal to 0.
A 1 B minus 3 root 2 plus 2i and C is equal to 6 root 2i. Correct?
हाँ.
What is x is equal to?
1
Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b square मतलब इसका square
हाँ.
minus 4ac. So I think I will calculate this thing separately. है?
Okay.
b square minus 4ac कितना है? b
हाँ.
square इसका square minus साइन चला गया.
हाँ.
So this is 3 root 2 plus 2i square minus 4a and c. Okay? That is equal to, इसको square करो,
9 into 2 18.
minus 2.
हाँ.
Oh sorry, minus 4.
4
2 to the 4i square plus 2 into 3 root 2 into 2i. सही है?
yeah. Yes.
Minus 4. Can I split this?
Okay.
इसको मैं स्प्लिट करके लिखूंगा. इसमें से 2 यहाँ पर लिखा,
हाँ.
दूसरा 2 यहाँ पर लिखा. 2 to the 4. या तो 4 वैसे ही लिखते रहने दो. 4 ऐसे लिखा, इसको स्प्लिट किया 3 root 2 into 2i. समझ में आ गया? एंड दिस 4 minus 4 है ना, उसको भी मैं ऐसे लिखूंगा. दिस इज 3 root 2 का स्क्वायर एंड प्लस 2i का स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर। अगर ये प्लस 2ab है तो ये माइनस 2ab नहीं है क्या? एक मिनट, ये 4 मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा, माइनस 4ab नहीं है क्या? इज दिस ओके? दिस 4 एंड 6 रूट 2 को मैंने 3 रूट 2 इंटू 2 ऐसे स्प्लिट किया। इज दिस ओके? सो व्हाट विल दिस गिव मी हियर? दिस इज a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ab। हाँ, so this will give me basically a square minus 2ab plus b square.
a minus b होगा।
So this is basically a minus b bracket square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now this is quite a shortcut which I am doing. है ना? a minus b bracket square.
3 root 2 minus 2i.
3 root 2 minus 2i bracket square. Isn't it?
Yes.
बस आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का है।
तो
So what is x is equal to square and square root चला जाएगा। So what is x is equal to minus b 3 root 2
plus 2i
plus 2i plus or minus square
3
root
root 2 minus 2i.
correct 3 root 2 minus 2i 3 root 2 minus
upon 2
upon 2. I think this can be called as a star problem because of this term. Okay, so this will become, if I'll take plus, then this minus gets cancelled. 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 6 root 2 upon 2.
3 root.
Or if I'll take minus, 3 root 2 and 3 root 2 gets cancelled. 4i upon 2.
2i.
2i. So that's the answer. Is this okay?
Stop.
Okay. Any doubts about this? Question number 4, subpart 4. Solve the following quadratic equation. Dictate 2 plus I
2 plus I plus x square. 2 minus 5 minus I x plus 2 bracket 1 minus I.
2 inside the bracket 1 minus I is equal to 0. A is equal to 2 plus I. B is equal to minus 5 minus I. And C is equal to 2 times 1 minus I. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. So what is x is equal to? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I'll calculate this separately.
Yes, okay.
b square minus 4ac. क्या बनेगा?
20
माइनस साइन
minus
चला
that.
5 माइनस i का
25
स्क्वायर माइनस 4a 2 plus a into c 2 into 1 minus I. Correct? That is equal to 25.
25 plus I square minus 2 10 I.
Okay? Minus 8 into 2 minus 2i plus I minus I square. 25 minus 1 is
24
minus 10i minus 8 inside the bracket 2 plus 1 3 minus I. Agree? So that will give me 24 minus 10i minus 24 plus 8i. So this will become minus 2i. Basically this is 0 minus 2i. अब मुझे उसका स्क्वायर रूट चाहिए, isn't it? Let p plus iq is equal to square root of 0 minus 2i. Squaring p square minus q square plus 2pqi is equal to 0 minus 2i. So p square minus q square is equal to 0 and 2pq is equal to minus 2. So q is equal to minus 1 upon p. Substitute p square minus 1 upon p का square is 1 upon
1
p
upon
square
p square.
is equal to 0.
p अच्छा
अब
p raised to
हाँ
minus 1
p raised to 4 minus 1 upon p
वो गया
square
0
is equal to 0. So p raised to 4 is equal to 0. 1.
1 p
p square का square is equal to plus or minus 1 का
1.
square. So p square is equal to 1 or p square is equal to minus 1 not accepted.
p
P is equal to
1
plus or minus 1 accepted. क्योंकि p is a real number. ठीक है. Now when p is equal to plus 1, what is q is equal to minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1. And when p is equal to minus 1, what is q is equal to minus 1 upon minus 1, that is plus 1. So what is p plus qi is equal to, ये बनेगा 1 minus I और minus 1 plus I, that is equal to plus or minus 1 minus I, because if I take minus sign here it will become 1 minus I. बराबर है ना? तो यहाँ पर जो हम प्लस माइनस लेते हैं वो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर आ चुका है. ओके, क्योंकि p प्लस आई क्यू, यहाँ पर फिर मैं लिखूंगा p प्लस आई क्यू इज इक्वल टू प्लस और इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 0 minus 2i. p plus iq is equal to plus or minus 1 minus I is the square root of 0 minus 2i. जो हम प्लस माइनस यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर. देयरफॉर व्हाट इज x इज इक्वल टू, x इज इक्वल टू b माइनस b, माइनस ऑफ माइनस इज प्लस, 5 माइनस I प्लस और माइनस 1 माइनस I अपॉन 2a
4
2 times 2 plus I.
डायरेक्ट 4
वो 2 शायद कैंसिल हो सकता है ना.
ओके.
Now if I take plus sign, 5 plus 1 6 minus I minus 2I upon 2 times 2 plus I, correct?
Yes.
Or if I take minus sign, 5 minus 1 4 minus I plus I 0 upon 2 times 2 plus I.
2 upon
So यहाँ से 2 कॉमन निकालो मन ही मन में और कैंसिल कर दो. ओके, सो 3 minus I upon 2 plus I, करेक्ट? और यहाँ पर 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो 2 upon 2 plus I. So this will become 2 minus I, 2 minus I, 2 minus I, 2 minus I, correct? So that will give me 6 minus 3I minus 2I plus I square is minus 1 upon 4 minus I square minus of minus 1. ओके, और इधर 2 into 2 minus I upon 4 minus of minus 1, करेक्ट? कुल मिलाकर अब क्या आएगा? Therefore x is equal to, फाइनल आंसर अब लिखेंगे हम लोग. Write the final answer here. Therefore x is equal to 6 minus 1 5 minus 5i upon 4 plus 1 is 5, or 4 plus 1 is 5, so 2 upon 5 times 2 minus I. और इधर 5 कॉमन 5 कैंसिल, so x is equal to 1 minus I or 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5i is the answer. Is this okay? Any doubts about it?
No.
Please check.